Well, we got a little cattle drive today going across the road. We're going to work on some different cells. Mainly just working on the carbon. Trying to get that chopped up a little more, so we got more hay unrolled over there, and they'll be getting some grass that got left. I think they was over there last about the last part of October. So there's 120 acres across that road that we're going to hit another time. Just move over it with a little bit of unrolled hay. So putting polywires across the road, and I'm setting up here because they're right over a hill. We don't want somebody coming over that hill. When you're moving your cattle, you just gotta think about safety and not just assume that somebody knows you're there. So if they can't see over that hill, you've got to be there to make sure they know what's over the hill. Which can have a really bad accident. Pay attention. Cody and Matthew down there helping. I'm blocking the road up here. This time of year, it's not too hard to get them to follow you because they're used to coming to hay bales and all that stuff too. So just gonna watch them cross. So another successful cattle drive at Natural Grandma. Wish she was having this good a day.